Hello guys, welcome you all to Service Planet. This is a Asus laptop model number X550C. I received it at date condition, so let's check it is actually dead or not. You can see my DC reading is here and this is my multimeter. So connect the DC jack and ampere consumption 0.004. Press the power button 0.023. That means the power button is responding but ampere is not increasing. So at first let's open the laptop. After we will continue. So here is the motherboard. Motherboard part number X550CC, mainboard revision 2.0. So now let's check again. DC connected. Press the power button. Still the same problem, 0.023. So in that case we need to trace which voltage are generating. Adapter in voltage 19.4. This is my bin section. Input voltage and output CLR. Output CLR also showing the same voltage, so there is no problem on my bin section. So now let's check in power button. There is a 3.3 volt available or not. 3.2 volt. No, high logic. So this is my power button trigger pin. So look, there is a 3.2 volt. Press the power button, it's 0 and it's begin the same position. So this is the power button sequence is okay. So now check the 3 volt 5 volt section now. This is the 3.3 volt coil, and this is 5 volt coil. So 3 volt 5 volt section is also okay. Now check the RAM section. Where is RAM? This coil show no 0 volt. Also this coil is 0. CPU code and VCC also 0. GFX is also 0. Let's check in battery connector. This point is ground. This is the charging pin showing 3.0 volt. 3.2 volt, 3.2 volt, 0.8 volt. So SDA SCL is also okay. So now deeply check in all the components. After that I'll show you the exact solution. So I desolder all the truck jumper, 1 2 3 4, and one more side. Back side is 1 2, but the problem is same. So I remove the BIOS chip here. There is no BIOS in motherboard. So let's check what's happened. DC connected. Now it is 0.026 ampere to 0.033 ampere. Press the power button. No response because the BIOS is not available in my motherboard. So maybe it is a BIOS issue. So let's reprogram the BIOS first. So I replace the BIOS file and place it here. So let's check again. Ampere still 0.004. Pressing power button, still it is the same condition. So in that case my doubt is directly go to the IO section. Maybe the IO is corrupt or damaged. So let's change first. After that we'll trace all the section. So I already replaced my super IO. IT IO number IT 8517E. So now check my problem is solved or not. Ampere still the same, 0.004. Press the power button. Now ampere is increasing, 0.5. So now check the display comes or not. So here in this case I solve this dead motherboard by replacing the super IO, and now need to check in laptop. So this is the laptop, and the inside is very dirty. I need to clean all the body and base area before I deliver it to the customer. Now connect the DC, press the power button, and look, my display is come. So here is the laptop screen. Press the power button, ampere consumption 500 above, 600 above, 700 above, and the displays come. So this is the simple case of a IO faulty. Hope you will all enjoy my video. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.